There are 70,000 searches per second happening on Google. That means 5.8 billion searches every day. We go to Google to find out information that we need, but sometimes we might not land in the right page as there are 2 billion websites and 4.5 billion pages on the internet. So finding the right information or reaching the right page is sometimes a problem. To overcome this problem, here I am sharing with you some tips and tricks that you can use it, and that will definitely help you to reach the right information and you can Google smartly. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing because we upload videos related to technology and more on regular basis where you will find a lot of useful information that you can use in your daily life. The first tip I want to share with you today is if you want to see a certain type of file like PDF file or Word file or PowerPoint presentation, then after you type the words that you want to search for, and then you have to write file type semicolon and the type of the file, whether PDF, PPT or docs file. Then if you do this, it will only display the file type that you are searching for. Here I am searching PDF file because I have typed file type as a PDF, and it will display the PDF documents only. Similarly, if you are looking for some other file types such as docs file, that is Microsoft Word files, then you can type file type docs. Or if you are looking for the Excel file, then you can type file type semicolon XLS. In that way you can find the file type that you are looking for. Here only XLS files are displayed because I have typed file name as XLS. The next is if you are looking for some documents and you want some words to appear in that document, then you can use the plus sign here. Here I am looking for culture, and this will show me the definition of culture or meaning of culture, and there is no such specific things shown here. So if you want to find the culture of certain place, or you want some words to appear in those documents, then use the plus sign. Here I am using plus Australia, then the Google will show me the documents related to Australian culture. Next, if you don't know the particular type of website but you know about the related website, such as if you are not aware of other shopping website but you only know about Amazon and you don't want to shop from Amazon, then you can use the keyword related semicolon Amazon. If you type this, then Google will display all other websites but not Amazon, through which you can do the shopping. Okay, now let's see some number magics. If the number is very large and it's very hard to find out what number is that and what million or billion is that, simply type that number and equal to English, then the Google will display what number it is. It will write like 68,700,000 or something like that. That number you can find. And other thing I want to show you here is you can use the Google search bar for doing some mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiply, division, any type of mathematical calculation. You can simply go to the address bar and you can do that. You don't have to find some calculator or anything, just Google address bar is sufficient to do some mathematical calculations. If you want to find the meaning of some words in different language, then you can just type that word and write in that language. For example, I am doing here, I want to find the meaning of government in Chinese language, so I write government in Chinese, then it will translate government word into Chinese word. If you are looking for some document that must contain all the words you want to include, then you must include all those words inside the quotes. Double quotes should be used, and if you do that, then Google will display all the pages or websites or books that have all those words that you have entered here. Now if you want to get information of certain time period, then you simply search that topic in the Google search bar and go to tools, From tools you can see anytime, and you choose the choose different timeline which you are looking for, like past hour or past 24 hour or past year. In this way you can find the information that has been uploaded in that time period. The final tip I want to give you here today is we can search anything with the help of image. For that, search with image, we have to type there and click on the first link. Then you can see the option to choose the image, upload an image, choose the file. If you choose the particular image, then Google will display the informations related to that image. Also, it will display other images that are similar to the image that you have uploaded, so you can find all the details regarding the image that you have uploaded. Okay guys, that was all I wanted to share with you today. If you find this information useful to you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because you will find a lot of useful information like this in coming videos. Thank you.